Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's your girl Sandra, aka slymnshadi. If you are a new subscriber, hello and welcome. If you're an old subscriber, guys, I love you guys too much. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why are you wasting time? Why are you taking the time? Join the family, join the gang, okay? So guys, today I thought to do my luxury wish list for 2022. I've never done this video before. However, I feel like I've gathered realistic items that I can afford for this year, and by God's grace I'll get half if not all the things on this wish list. So today's video will be split into two. One section will be bags, another section will be bracelets, and altogether I have 10 items on my wish list for 2022. So let's see how much stuff I can get. So guys, the first item on my list is a YSL bag. Now, I've been in search for this bag. I've been searching for this bag for quite a while. This YSL bag is called Saint Laurent Palm Tree Bag. And guys, I know as you can see what the bag looks like on the screen. When I tell you, I've been searching for this bag for ages. I've only found the bag. I've checked Farfetch, I've checked Real, I can't get my hands in it, and this is the only YSL bag that I actually like because it's not really a clutch, it's more of a bag. And it's, guys, you guys know I like small bags, right? But I feel like this YSL bag will fit a lot of my stuff for like date nights and stuff. I just like the fact that the Y is not a classic Y. Instead of being a Y, it's a little palm tree. And when I say, guys, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with it. It's an old edition, so it's not new. However, I still need to get my hands in it because I want it so bad. The next item on my wish list, oh my god. Guys, when I say yeah, I'm telling you right now, this bag, mark my words, is going to be trending this year. It is the Gucci Ophelia mini bag. And when I tell you guys, when I was researching, okay, when I was scrolling online, I saw this item and I said I need to have my hands in it, because if you haven't seen my video, I'll link it down below or I'll put it on the screen as well. I got a Gucci hat. So when I saw this bag, I thought this hat and this bag would really go together. This bag comes in two different styles. It comes in the white one and it comes in the brown one. I was tempted to go with the white, but then I was like, nah, it's gonna stain easily and I don't know if the stain's gonna come out very easy. So I didn't want to try and risk it and then have to buy a tweelie and all of that jazz. That's just extra long. Now, when it comes to this bag cost £660 in the UK. So have that in mind. You can get it on Net-a-Porter or the Gucci website. But yeah, this bag is lovely and I can't wait to get my hands on this bag because, girl, the bag is a bit of me, and the bag gives me like an old 90s vibe, which I kind of love. As the next item I have on my list, which is gonna be another bag. I need me a Chanel bag. Come on, man. Like, if you've got bags and you're a collector, you need at least one Chanel bag in your, in your whole gallery. Get what I'm trying to say? The price increase on Chanel's a bit mad. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, they'll go from like 2K to boom, 3K to like 4K and now like 6K. I'm like, bro, slow down. I'm trying to catch up, guys. So I don't own any Chanel bags and I feel like this bag will fit perfectly in my wish list for 2022. It's the Chanel mini flat bag. Now the material is suede calf skin and you have gold metal and it's in the color black. Now this bag, baby, oh nah, it's a bit of me. It looks like it's a bit velvety, which I kind of like. It's very chic. I don't know, I feel like it just makes a statement. And I like the fact that the strap all around it is not gold. You see the metal fins on Chanel bags? I don't know why, I don't like it. The metal fin stops kind of like halfway and then they have a bit of a material where it's gonna sit on the shoulder, and that's what I kind of like. It costs £3,440. I feel like the resale value for this bag though is going to be insane. So the next item, the next bag that I have on my wish list is the Goyard bag. Guys, I saw these bags. Do you know what? They have different colors when it comes to this bag. Now I saw this particular one on TikTok. Some girl was doing an unboxing. I love these bags. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're about 5 grand ish, but yeah, 5 grand ish and more. But I feel like they're classic. I like bags that you don't see. When I'm buying my bag, I don't like bags that everybody has. I don't know. It doesn't make me feel excited. I don't know why. I like bags that, you know, only me or a couple people have, and people will approach you and be like, oh girl, where did you get your bag from, kind of thing, or oh my god, I love your bag. Like, that's kind of reaction I like. I love the brown, I love the print, I love the handle. I just love everything about the bag. It's just, oh, it's really giving. It's giving what it's meant to give. Yeah, so that's also on my wish list, because yeah, baby, it's looking amazing. Okay, another item that I need, guys, I'm tired. If you see my bag collection for last year, I'll link it below. All my bags are like black, brown, black, clear. I don't have colors. I don't have white, I don't have blue, I don't have orange. So this year that has to change a bit of color, you know. Please, Sandra, I'm talking to myself like, girl, what are you doing? So there's this Hourglass Balenciaga bag. Oh my god, it's the color. Guys, can you see this color? Nah, it has to be mine. Guys, this bag retails for £1,690. The only reason I have an issue with that pricing though is because the bag is extra small. So maybe I need to go in store and see it for myself, because online it's looking very, very tiny. It's looking like this. So maybe I need to go in store and see how big it is. But I love that blue. That blue just looks absolutely beautiful. I love the color. Another bag I have on my list as well is, let me tell you something. I know that a lot of people are going to come for me, and that's fine, but I'm not gonna lie, the Telford shopping bags, I wasn't really feeling them as much, so that's why I don't know any of the Telford bags. I love Triple Black owned, but I don't know, I wasn't feeling the shopping bags. But they're coming out with another bag, and let me tell you something, that bag is gonna be mine. Ooh, guys, can you see the bag? Can you see this bag? Is the shape for me, is everything, is the logo. Oh, listen, I'm gonna be on that site midnight when it drops. The only problem is I saw this bag on TikTok, that's why it's not a bit clear, and that's the only picture I've seen of the bag. I've gone online to research it. I haven't seen anything come up. I've gone to the Telfar website, nothing's come up as well. So I hope this is not like a dupe or something. But according to the TikTok, the girl said coming soon. So when I tell you guys, I'm fighting for this bag, you know, I'm gonna have my hands in it. I'm gonna call my friends in America as well. Please, guys, I want this bag. This Telfar bag is giving, and they need to come out with this bag, not just black, but couple. If they have this bag in pink and baby blue, I'll be getting this bag in multiple colors. Another bag on my item is the Fendi mini Baguette bag. I own just one Fendi bag, and that was gifted to me for my birthday 2 years ago. Each year I get a bag, by the way. So 2 years ago I got the Fendi bag, which is, I've literally rinsed it. I think I've worn it, I've not rinsed it, I've worn it like 4 times, 4 times. So I haven't really rinsed it that much. So I wanted to get something else, and this is in the color brown and black. I'm trying to run away from the browns and the blacks and all of that, but I feel like I need this item in my wardrobe. It's just it's a statement piece. It's just, yeah, I need it. I like the top handle, I like the strap, I like everything about the bag. Long story short, this bag cost £1,690. I can't even sit here and justify why I want the bag. I just think it's gonna go with a lot of my outfits, and I feel like the bag, for me, the mini Baguette, the way it's structured and how it looks like, I feel like I can wear it all season round, either winter or summer. So that's more reason why I want to get it. Let's go to only one sandal. So I did say in the beginning that I had bags and bracelet, but I forgot to mention that I had one slippers in my wish list for this year. So the one slippers that I want, this is called a Hermes Aloha sandals. This costs £230. It's a rubber slippers, and guys, I've been on the wish list, or should I even say wish list? I've been on the list, actually, not wish list. I've been on the list for about a year. So when I went into Selfridges last year, they did have my size. However, when I tried on my size, my actual size is 37. It was too tight. And those are, because they're rubber, yeah, no. So I had to size up. And guys, I'm going to tell you, I've been on the waiting list for 1 year. I'm not joking with you. It's like Hermes don't want to release the sandals. They're the only thing that I actually kind of like. I mean, the orange sandals are nice, but I feel like they're everywhere, and the fakes are just everywhere. I haven't seen Aloha's like that everywhere. Do you get? So anyways, I need to get it. My friend's going to Paris. I've told her, please, if you go to Paris, go to Hermes. Give me that slippers. If you love me, give me the slippers. Bracelets. You guys know I love my jewelries. I love my bracelets. And I'm not gonna lie to you, there's only 2 items and that's it. I feel like it's either you go hard or you go home, and these items are sending my bank account home. They're sending my bank account home. So the first item, I've gone to the store twice and I've tried it on twice, and guys, I've been tempted to buy it twice, but I'm just like, bro, you need to save, you know. You work a 9 to 5. You're not that rich. Calm down. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I've seen this item twice. I've been so literally. I pulled out my card and said, "Girl, leave the shop." So yeah, I'm gonna get them this year. I pray. Priorities, 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 priorities. That's how I get myself not to spend in the store. Priorities, priorities, priorities. So guys, this is the Justin Clue Cartier bracelet. Even on the website, it says must have. It says it must have. This costs $2,820. They always have a price increase in Cartier. That's why I always get like a bit worried. Like when I was trying to buy it, it was a bit cheaper than this. Now I think it was about 2,600 something, and now it's gone to 2,820. So that's a bit steep. Guys, there's something about the Justin Clue that I like. For a very long time, I wanted the love bracelet, but I was not spending 5k on that bracelet. That's number one. Secondly, that bracelet costs you so much headache when you're going through the airport in terms of security, because you can't just be taking it off and on, like you're gonna weaken the screw. So for so long I wanted that bracelet, but then when I found the Justin Clue, because it's so easy to get in and out, I was like, that's what I want. And when I tried it in the store, I'm gonna try and find a video on my phone if I still have it. Oh, I loved it so much. It was so classy, and I feel like, ooh, girl, yeah, I definitely need that Justin Clue bracelet this year. I'm not getting the chunky, I'm getting the skinny one, because guys, when it's too chunky, this looks a bit absurd. But the skinny one in gold, yeah, that's a bit of me, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And guys, we've come to the final item that I want for my luxury wish list in 2022, and drum roll please. This is the Vancleave vintage Alhambra bracelet in mother of pearls, yellow gold. I've never seen a bracelet so sexy. Like, this bracelet is so simple and so basic, but so classy and so, ooh, nah. I've seen bracelets, trust and believe I've seen loads of bracelets, but there's just something about this bracelet. Like, guys, you know when you have bracelets that you have little to nothing going on, but it's like when you wear it, you look absolutely edible. That's the word. That's it. This bracelet, when I see girls wear this bracelet, I'm like, girl, this made you even look 10 times better. Like, this bracelet costs £3,350. I love it. I just love it. So yeah, guys, that's the end of my wish list. I hope you like my content. I hope you love my channel. If you do, please click on the subscribe button below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel and then share my content. I love you guys, and God bless you.